Hey buddies, welcome back to our channel DIY with Tea. In our last video, we have seen how to make 3D metallic outliners, and here I'm going to show you how to make these glass colors with the things that are actually available at home. In this video, we're going to test different methods to make glass colors and choose the best. So watch the video till end to see which method is the best one to make the glass colors. So for different colors, I'm going to take different materials. For violet, I have taken rangoli powder, added few drops of water and kept aside to settle down. And here is the food color for yellow color. For green, I have taken acrylic colors. And I'm going to give a try on watercolors too. Now let's get 2 to 3 drops from this color. For red color, I am using sketch pen. By adding 2 to 3 drops of water on the top, the pigment is collected in the bottom. Just squeeze and you'll get the pigment. This is the main ingredient, that is Fevicol. Add Fevicol to all these colors and mix thoroughly. You can also use any other brand glue, but that needs to be transparent. But I think Fevicol is really budget friendly and low cost. So here is the sample watercolor sheet that I have made myself. Now let's color each circle. Once you use these colors, please wash the brush in water thoroughly and then use the next color. I think you can see the pink and violet are too liquid and there are gap formation in between. But red, green and yellow seems to be good. Let's see what happens. Let this dry for a while. For your clarity, I am mentioning the colors that I used for the pigmentation. So here are the 5 colors. If you want to see the combinations, pause the video here. Once this is dried, let's see which one is the best and which one has the best transparency. I think yellow and red has a good transparency and that is a success. Pink and violet are obviously rejected. Now let's test with Camel Paste. For pigment, I am using sketch and food colors because these two gave the best results when I used the Fevicol. So I am using that too here. Again, taking a sheet, I'm just applying few strokes over that. This is dried now. So I think both are looking so dull and this is also rejected. Now let's test with Fevicol. To show you the difference, I am also using Fevicum on the other side. Add on some amount of food color and mix thoroughly. When you add too much of food color, you don't get the transparency, so I want to show that here. So the bottom part is Fevicum plus food colors, but here I have added too much of food colors to show you what happens when we add more amount of food colors. And the top part is Fevicol plus food colors. Let this dry for a while, and then here it is. It has zero transparency because I added too much of food colors to the bottom part, that is Fevicum plus food colors. So please try to avoid that mistake. Just add a little amount of food colors and that is more than enough for this project. So the combinations that actually work are Fevicum plus food colors and Fevicum plus sketch pens or ink. I have taken few food colors here, and for sky blue color I have taken sketch pen. You need not throw away the sketch pen after taking the pigment out of it. Just reuse as usual for your drawings. Now add on Fevicum to all these colors and mix thoroughly without formation of any lumps. Now it's time to color our parrot with our homemade glass colors. Just trace out or draw any image on the paper and trace out on the glass color sheet. And here is the homemade outliner. So once we got the image, I'm going to color this. I'm using this round brush to paint this parrot. So for the middle part I'm using yellow. This is really smooth and exactly like store-bought glass colors. You need to wash the brush after finishing one color. So here we got this parrot, colorful and gorgeous. It's really 100% clear and transparent, like the store bought one. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment below if you have any kind of doubts. Meet you in the next video. Until then, stay connected. Thank you.